Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create or use AI color correction in a CapCut web version. So let's start. The first thing to do, of course, you can open CapCut.com on your browser. After that, don't forget to sign in into your account. If you don't have, you can try to sign up, register if this is your first time. And let's start by click on magic tools and try to find the images. For images, here there is a AI color correction. Adjust your image color to give it more vitality. Click it, and here we go how to increase image saturation or color correction. Let's upload the image first. So wait the process, let the AI generate the image. So here you can try to choose the intensity before generating, like level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. It takes a while, for be patient. Let the AI generate the image for you. And here we go. Now this image already applied the color correction, so you can choose. This is the level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. And now you can download or export these images. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.